Alrighty, what's going on, good people? BrandMaster Martina, Britt, Yelverton here, and one of the strategies that I am teaching you guys with regards to how to go over to our testimonials page here in MWR Financial and to grab information that you need so that you have it in your arsenal as a strategy to share with other people. Because as you see here, our group is a private group. So right here it says that it is a private group. So therefore, unless you actually go over here and invite the member to come into the group and then the member is approved, you will not be able to tag them in a testimony. You will not be able to share a testimony with them, because if you notice here below the post itself, there is no share option. So what I suggest you do is that you take the opportunity to kind of follow along here on the screen and utilize this, or to request to receive access to these specific documents, and therefore you will be able to then grab the testimonials directly out of the document. And I will explain a little bit further with regards to what I mean. So here in Google, if you do not know it, if you go to docs, docs.google.com, this will allow you to come into an area here where you can create a blank document. And here in this blank document, you would then be able to title the document, right? And then you would be able to, I like to go up into the header of my documents, and then I like to then title the documents. My favorite font to date is the Montserrat font, and that is the one I use. So therefore, every time you end up on a brand new page, you end up with it already being titled so that you know what it is that the information is going to be below. So I'm showing you how to set up the document, but then I'm going to give you access to the documents that I am setting up for those of you who are a little bit tech challenged, okay? So here we would come over to the MWR Financials page. You would begin to scroll down. Now, if you want to do this in an organized fashion, you can actually go down and determine each post and, put it where you want it. But you're also available to go over here to the magnifying glass, click the magnifying glass, and then in here you can type in, let's do credit first. Credit. Let's just type in the word credit, and then it will result you with items inside of search results inside of MWR Financial Testimonies. And then you are available to click and utilize the credit testimonies and post them. So let me show you what I mean by that. So let's scroll back up to the top and let's start here with Jacqueline. All right. So Jacqueline is posting, she is so happy. MWR is definitely increasing her credit scores. Thank you, MWR Financial Experts. And on. She says here, my starting score was 524, and now she's showing the score tracker through the Smart Credit is 601. So this is what I would suggest you do. You can highlight that. All right. And then if you want to highlight the whole thing, you even can. You could highlight the whole bit of information so that you would have it. All right. And then you would come over into your document and you would paste it. Of course, it's going to try to get all of the coding that is there. The way that I get around that is I then go in and reduce the coding. However you need to do it, there are different ways. But notice it's going to give you all types of coding if you do it that way. So I just wanted to make you aware that that can happen. All right. But what I'm going to suggest you do, and again, yours will not look specifically like mine. I have a black theme on my Google, so that is why mine looks dark comparative to yours may not. All right, we're going to just grab her name really quickly, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to copy. Hopefully it will copy just the text. Sometimes it does, sometimes it does not. So it copied the coding as well. Not a problem. Let's finish up before we change that. And it's going to now, my starting score was 524. We're going to copy that and we're going to paste that in, and then we're going to highlight it all, and we're going to get rid of any of that coding that it does. It drives me crazy sometimes. So, we just want to get rid of all of that and move on. And then we want to take off the link if we possibly can. Sometimes it, acts hinky, doesn't want to take it off. Sometimes it does. Either way, now we can all be happy. This is Jacqueline's testimony. My starting score was a 524, and then we're going to go over here and right click, and we're going to copy the image, and we're going to drop it into our document. Okay, that's simple. There it is. So that is if you want to get the name of it as well as the starting score, as well as the smart credit, so that then if you choose to share this on your timeline, let's open up another window, and let's say I am choosing to share this on my timeline. Let's go to my Facebook page, and specifically, let's go over to my MWR page, and let's share her testimony. So when you are on whatever page you are choosing to share it on, you're available to go in. Hold on, internet's acting hinky. You're available to go in to create a post. All right, and we're going to create the post in Facebook, and we're going to, because we already have it in our clipboard, just paste. So that pastes the image. Come back over to our document, and let's grab her testimony, and then we go back in and paste that into something that I have to say. And if that's all I wanted to do, boom, there's a post. Okay, so it is that simple to utilize the testimonies that are inside of the testimonials groups, and then you can move on to the next one. Hey, Tara Reed, we can go and grab Tara Reed's information, copy it, bring it over here to our document, put her name in there, come back over to the testimony. Let's see, she was saying my credit score has been fluctuating, and let's go down to I want all, and she says that she wants all her points. Every point counts. Let's just grab that much of the text, bring it over here inside of our document, drop it in there, go down to the next line, go back, and let's grab her image, and let's bring it into our document here. So now we have another one that we can utilize. Now, if you're trying to conserve space and be able to see them easily, you're available to grab at the corner and bring it down so that you can get more on the page. So should you choose, totally up to you how you do it. Highlight it all. Let's get rid of all of that formatting that it puts in there, and do according to what you want to do, how you want your document to look. I like my document always clean and inside the font that I choose to have my document in, but that is just me. So that's if you actually want to grab the testimony and name before the image. If you're not interested in that, just go over and grab each image. Right click, copy, come back to your document, go to the end of your document and paste, right? Resize it as you choose to, and there you have testimonies that you can pull quickly out of the group by copying them, bringing them into your document, and then pasting them. Okay, so just letting you know, quick and easy, one of the ways that you can do this so that you can always have a document on the ready to share a testimony. Now, we just did that specifically for credit. You are available, if you choose to go in, and let's change this to PRA. All right, PRA. So now anyone that has says anything about a PRA, now you're available to get those testimonies. If you're trying to find out something about bill negotiations, we know it's called the bill shredder. All right, we can go in and we can type in, for some reason I cannot type today. Did I spell that right? Okay, there we go, bill shredder. And now you're available to scroll and see all the testimonies for bill shredder. So I just wanted to make a really quick video so that you guys can see one of the ways that you can set up multiple documents. Here's one I have set up for tax reduction. Here's one I have set up for credit restoration, debt elimination, wealth accumulation, and bill negotiations. When I do this and I get images dropped into here with testimonies attached, once I save this document, I am available to go over here and I can share this with anyone on my team that I want to give access to a boatload of data and content that they can post regularly on their page. All I would need is your email address. I can share this document with you. As a viewer, you will be able to open up this document and you will be able to use it. So I hope you have found some sense of help from that. Again, my name is BrandMaster Martina Britt Yelverton. I am the program director for the MWR Financial Corporation. I am absolutely loving my position here, but even more than that, I'm loving the ability to walk inside of my gift, and that is to serve others. So to your success, I wish you the absolute best in every endeavor that you are trying to do inside of the company, as well as what you're doing to serve your gift and your passion and your purpose in the world to impact others. Catch you on the flip side.